Our first stop is the late 18th century, with the birth of the steam engine. This brilliant invention, developed by James Watt, heralded the Industrial Revolution and changed the course of human history. The steam engine transformed industries from mining to manufacturing and laid the groundwork for the transportation revolution that would soon follow. It was a game changer, setting the stage for a world powered by machines. Fast forward to the late 19th century, and we encounter the telephone. Alexander Graham Bell's invention shrunk the world, making communication across the globe a reality. The telephone was the precursor to every modern communication device we use today, from mobile phones to the internet. It made the world smaller and brought people closer together. Next, we venture into the early 20th century, where we meet the airplane. The Wright brothers' invention made the world even smaller, enabling us to travel vast distances in a matter of hours. The airplane revolutionized transportation and commerce, and made the concept of a global village a reality. The mid-20th century introduces us to the computer. The advent of the computer, thanks to pioneers like Alan Turing and John von Neumann, opened up a world of possibilities previously unimaginable. The computer is the cornerstone of modern technology, driving advancements in every field, from science and engineering to arts and entertainment. Finally, we arrive in the late 20th century, where the internet takes the stage. The internet is the culmination of all previous inventions, connecting the world in ways never before possible. It has revolutionized communication, commerce, and information exchange, making it the most transformative invention of our time. In conclusion, these 5 inventions, the steam engine, the telephone, the airplane, the computer, and the internet, have shaped our world in profound ways. They have defined eras, changed the course of human history, and continue to influence our lives in countless ways. So, the next time you pick up your phone, remember the long and fascinating journey of inventions that made it possible. The world as we know it is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of invention. And who knows what game-changing invention lies just around the corner.